A little warning, my hair is not styled, but just, you know, don't judge it because I'm gonna style it for you in just a second. But I want to say welcome, guys. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kaya and welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be on this beautiful, as you can already see, wig that is already applied on my head. I'm going to show you how I installed it, of course, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this little intro in before I style it. This is what the unit is looking like. So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today, here is the packaging that it comes in. I cannot pronounce that, you guys, but I think it's Chantiche Lace Wig is how I'm going to pronounce it. But yes, this is a 360 frontal wig, and yes, we are here for all of this frontalness and 360ness. 360 means that I can wear it up in a ponytail, as well as half up, half down. You know, you just got all your versatility in this unit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her styled, then I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about her as well as a little bit of facts. So if you are interested in that, continue to keep watching, and thanks for joining. Also subscribe.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
All right, she is nice and tug, and she ain't going nowhere unless somebody really just tried to snatch my hair. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and style her. I'm thinking I'm gonna do side part because that is just what I'm feeling. Side part is where it's at, boo-boo.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight,
Okay,
hold tight.
I'm gonna add some curls because that's more so what I'm feeling right now. Loose, careless curls.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
And then how I hold my edges is I spray a little bit of Got to Be spray on it because it makes it hold, trust me, and it will stay in that spot that you need it to stay in. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of the edges. I'm gonna spray this side too. Make sure it gets hard, because once it's hard, that's when it stays. But I think that's all the edges I'm gonna add. I'm gonna just brush this back over. And then to finish this up, I'm gonna add some powder. To finish this, I'm gonna add some powder to it just to make everything look nice and, you know, natural. If you guys want to know what powder I use the Maybelline powder. It's in the shade 375. Alright, we got one last edge left over here. We got one last edge over here, which is actually my hair, and it's kind of dry with glue, or I don't even know what it's dry with, but I'm going to make it into an edge by just flicking it back. We're going to create that and make that into an edge. Simple bimple. Alright guys, so this is the final look to this wig. As you can tell, it's a poppin' wig. Like, does not look like it's coming from my scalp right now. I mean, we got the edges over here. They are laid and slayed, and this wig is doing it all for me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you, like, this is a little packaging, or this is the ticketing that came on it. So it is 150% density, so it's not super duper thick, but it's not super duper thin either. It's like the right amount of hair. The length of this wig is 20 inches long. I'm gonna make sure I get a little zoomed out image so you guys can see how long it looks with it being curled. The color that I have is 1B. It's like a natural black, natural brown colors. Actually, it's not really brown. If you want to bleach the hair, you can bleach it. However, I wouldn't recommend going like straight 613 or 27. Maybe just take it at a time to bleach it. I'm probably not going to bleach this hair because I just really like how it feels now, and I don't want to screw it up by bleaching it since I'm not a professional bleacher or anything like that. But just to let you guys know that if you are interested in purchasing the wig, it is something that can be colored. Just like you saw in the video, I did customize it how I wanted it to look. However, it does come pre-plucked, and I did bleach the knots. I didn't show that part because I didn't really feel like that was something you guys would want to see. But if you are interested in seeing how I bleach knots, let me know. I can make a video on that. But I did bleach the knots to make the parting and the lace just look a little bit more natural, of course. The wig, it does shed just a tad bit, but I feel like that happens when you have longer hair. It tends to shed more. So it's not OD with the shedding, but it does shed a little bit. So just to keep that out there, just in case you're interested in that. The cap size is about 22 inches. It's average size. It's a nice size. You can adjust it if you need to. It does have combs. However, you know, I wouldn't recommend using the combs and the combs alone, shall I say, because your wig might fall off, just saying. But I used the Got2b glue to tape it down and make it stay and look how it looks. I really do hope you guys like how this looks and like how the wig looks. If you do, make sure you leave a thumbs up because it tells me how much you liked it. Also, leave a comment below as well. But I think I answered pretty much all the questions on it. It comes body wave. You can straighten it, curl it, whatever you want to do to it. As you saw, I used my flat iron on it, and my flat iron is pretty hot, as well as the hot comb. It doesn't have a temperature control, so yeah. If you guys have any questions about the wig, you know, just leave a comment below and I'll answer the question for you. If you got this far in the video, make sure you subscribe. If you guys are interested in the wig, I will have every single detail below in the description box. So make sure you check it out if you're interested in getting this wig. I do want to say thank you to, I don't think I'm pronouncing it right, but I want to say thank you to Chantiche Lace Wig for sending me this wig. I love it so much. And just to let you guys know, I actually have been wearing this wig for 2 days now, so I really got the good wear out of it to see if I really like it. So wearing it for 2 days, I've actually seen how it works and how it functions, and the curls have been holding. I did take it off today to reapply it and recurl it and just wash out the gel and stuff, but other than that, it's still popping. Okay, I really like it. It's not a first impressions. This is like a 2 day went by, then I showed you my impression, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.